Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Right now I got it's a 4th order, 2-1 ratio, 6 18-inch team MFI subs, powered by 6 depth box 79.1s.
Okay.
I got a 180 amp bank in the back seat max.
Yes, sir.
I got 260 volt alternates right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is pretty impressive to see you fit that much.
Yeah,
Wow.
16, 12.
Nice.
Yeah.
And this is a 4th order?
Yep.
Okay. The team series, how is that working on the 4th? Does pretty good?
It's pretty good. I had ZV5s in here, man, but the ZV5s kept going. So I switched to those, man. I didn't have any problems. This is like my first time putting some real power on.
Yeah.
So, you know, we mirrored it with the Sundown, man. We did like a 162.
Wow.
I haven't mirrored it yet with this.
Yes, sir. Excuse me. Okay. Nice. That 4-inch coil helped a good bit too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. Can I come in?
179 per amp. Per sub.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I had 3 sub 8s in here, but I took my premium, my truck over there.
Okay.
And that's what I said, did 700 per sub over here.
Yes, sir.
Try to get some more power to it.
Nice.
Hey, you from Sundown, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm from Hinesville.
Hinesville. Okay, right up the road. Yep. Nice.
10 bad bitches in a match. Wrist on mini rock, them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money started spending. I got model features, wanna leave me like some candy. And them drugs coming in. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy.
They're putting some power on them subs. Wow.
We got 179 per amp. I mean, per sub.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.